In more news coming in at this point in time, Bengal leader of the opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, takes out a mega rally in Kolkata. Save Bengali Hindus rally by the BJP. A mega rally against the violence that was seen for days together in Murshidabad. Alright, we'll be going across to to our reporters in a moment from now. My colleague Anirban getting us those details and those images at this point in time. I'll try and go across to Anirban, where pictures now coming out from Kolkata of the Bharatiya Janata Party holding that rally against the violence in Murshidabad. Anirban is with us. Anirban, इस समय ये रैली निकाली गई है बंगाल में. यहाँ पर शुभेंदु अधिकारी जो है बीजेपी के लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन है असेंबली में, वो सरकार को कॉर्नर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस पूरे मामले में. अनिर्बान,
देखिए, हाँ, इस वक्त जो है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से रैली निकाली गई है और ये रैली अब नेताजी भवन, जो कि नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की घर है, वहां से निकाली गई और ये रैली चलेगी अब 1.5 किलोमीटर. और इसमें एक अपील है कि इनका जो अभी स्लोगन है यहाँ पे, वो स्लोगन एक है कि हिंदू हिंदू भाई भाई, और यही स्लोगन को लेके इस वक्त शुभेंदु अधिकारी से लेके स्टेट लीडरशिप जितने भी है यहाँ पे बीजेपी की, साथ में भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा BJYM पूरी तरीके से रास्ते पे उतर आए हैं, क्योंकि दावा एक ही है कि जैसे मुर्शिदाबाद में हिंदुओं we can see over here that the BJP has taken out the rally, and we can see that the leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari as well as most of the state leaders have arrived, and the rally has started already from the Netaji Bhavan, the house of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and they are giving one slogan right now, as the BJP is raising one slogan, that Hindu Hindu Bhai Bhai, as they are stating that the atrocities that has happened in Murshidabad as well as in Malda is not acceptable from any corner. So right now we have seen that governor has already visited there, and Shubhendu Adhikari, the Bengal opposition leader, as well as the state leadership, along with Taposh Rai and Indranil Khan and many state leaderships has come here, and right now the rally has started already from the Netaji Bhavan, the Netaji's house, and it will continue till 1.5 kilometer. And as we all know that BJP is consistently claiming the NIA investigation in the case of Murshidabad, as well as apart from NIA investigation, they are saying that there should be a specific BSF camp in the Murshidabad and the violence hit areas, as well as they are also saying that presidential rule should be applied in West Bengal before the Vidhan Sabha elections. And right now we can see that the big rally, the huge rally, as we can see in the frame, and the camera person Lesan is showing our viewers that this is the mass rally taken out by the Bengal BJP. The former MP of BJP Arjun Singh also joined the rally, as well as there is lots of slogans right now they are raising, and as we can see, one of the placard that written "Stop Ethnic Cleansing," as well as there is written "Hindu Hindu Bhai Bhai," and also they are raising slogans that "Maulo Badet Thainai," and they said that the terrorism will not be accepted in West Bengal, and that's why Mamata Banerjee should resign.
All right, pictures of the rally that are being organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party in the streets of Kolkata, where the BJP is raising the issue of the communal tensions in Murshidabad and saying that the West Bengal government under the TMC has been unsuccessful, or rather led by the TMC has been unsuccessful in handling the law and order situation.